just now got in the blind. I don't know where this bird's at to the left. It was here last night, but he was close to the fields. Like he'd be flying out in that little field. Working his way down this way or something. Just last night he was trying to go across the field. Guess it got too late. He flew back up right there. I just got in the blind, and that hen of Gobbler's back out over there. I'll be working their way down through here. Maybe another one see it. One of them come over and give me a shot. Oh, I got out this morning with a hen decoy. Can't believe I overslept. I didn't hear an alarm. I just happened to wake up. Anyway, we'll get kicked back and see what happens this morning. That Gobbler's coming down that hill. There's the hen going over there to the right, so. I'll be losing that hen. Maybe he'll come over here. Alright guys, that's what I've done. I've been watching this gobbler for actually 3 days now. I seen him come out over here beside my blind, my deer blind over here Thursday night. He went across the field. Well, Friday morning I sat over there on him. And he was spitting and drumming on the roost. He never gobbled, he just spitting and drumming. Of course, you know that video how the hen flew out there. And he flew out there about 85 yards away from me, wouldn't get no closer. And them 7 jakes come in, run him off. And ever since they run him off from over there, he will not go back across that field. He come over here on the high spot on the farm, on top of the hill, and he will stay over here. I think last night we seen him 5 or 6 times staying up here on top of this hill. Alright, well last night we had another bird fly up right there by the creek, about 75 yards away from us, so I sit back over there this morning. Well, I guess when we left we must have boogered that bird because he never did fly down in the field. But this bird over here stays over here. So, and this morning I got in there, I know I seen him 4 or 5 times. He will stand up here and just gobble and gobble and gobble and gobble, going the full strut. And he's got a hen that stays over here in this holler. She comes back and forth, feeding, I guess eating these soybeans that laying on the ground, going back and forth all day. So, I run over here and threw my blind up. So if he wants to come out here tonight and strut, I'm going to introduce him to some TSS. So, anyway, I'm going to get quiet and get kicked back. See what happens this evening. We got a bunch of rain showers coming, so the bad part about being down here at the rain, if it gets too heavy, I cannot get across that creek to get out of here because it would start to rolling. So it rises fast and goes down fast. But I don't want to take no chances on it. I mean, I want to kill a bird, but we just see how it goes. So stick here with us. there he is. I've had an exciting hunt today. Last couple of days, actually. I killed a jake yesterday. This bird actually landed in the field in front of me yesterday morning. But them 7 jakes come across the field and run him off. And ever since then, that bird would stay up here on this high point, would gobble, strut, but would not come across that field. He would not leave this area. So I got a little break today in the rain. What I done is I packed all my stuff up. I was sitting all the way across the field by the creek. I picked everything up, brought it all up here to sit up on this point. Well, I was sitting there and I had a hen come out. She walked back in the edge of the wood line. All right. But then it started raining real hard. And my brother texted me and said, "Are you still down there?" I said, "Yes, I don't know how long I get to stay down here because that rain keeps that up. All these hills down here, when it rains real hard, you can't get across that creek." So I was debating about leaving. And I looked up and there was a hen right there at my hen decoy. Well, she come up, walked all the way up and went right in where he did, where he's been staying. So, well, maybe she's going to him. I texted my brother, I said, "Well, I just saw that hen. Maybe he's behind her or something." And my brother's like, "Yeah, I guarantee he's behind her." Well, I looked back down after she walked off, looked back down, and there he stood. There ain't much video of it, but the weather conditions and everything going on, I'm tickled to death that I got him. The video's just going to have to be what it is, but I ain't going to waste too much time. I'm going to get out of here, try to get across that creek. So, he's a 2-year-old, got white spurs. Look at them wings. He's just got them. He's got them worn down there. His beard's about, I don't know, about 10 and a half. I'm tickled to death to get him. Usually you can't get good pictures of a wet bird, but when that TSS hit him, he didn't flop too bad, so. But anyway, I'm thrilled to death, man. I hope y'all having a great season. I hope you enjoy the video, what little bit there is of it. And if you can, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, leave a comment down below how your season's going. Are you fighting these things as bad as they ain't wanting to cooperate, they ain't wanting to work in, they ain't wanting to do nothing, but this one here played the part. All right, well, I ain't gonna waste much time because I gotta get across that creek, but y'all stick in there with me. See you next time.